Hello, what's up, traders? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video lesson, we are looking at weekly forex forecast. In weekly forex forecast, what we normally do is select three pairs over the weekend and then analyze it ahead of the new week we are entering. Okay, so if the market play out according to our analysis, we take the trade. If it doesn't play out, we wait for the next market structure that will determine the next decision that we'll take. Okay, so guy, welcome. Feel free. If you are here for the first time, my name is Mr. Emmanuel. I'm a forex trader from Nigeria. I've been in this market for 6 years. Okay, so that's just it, guys. That's it. So what you are seeing here is my last week analysis on the Euro USD. Okay, so the projection that it will work this very particular 1.0800, okay, and that is where the market is currently right now. So preparing for drop. So let's see how it goes. If the market drop, fine. If it doesn't drop, then we'll know what else to do according to the body language or according to the market structure. Okay, so guys, feel free. Let me know your thoughts over this very particular video which we are about to take. Okay, so for today, what we have for today is three pairs as usual. We have a US card here, we have a Euro JPY and the NZD USD. Okay, so these are the three pairs that we have for the week. Okay, so let's see how it goes. The first thing I'm seeing here is that the market is uptrending. Okay, so this is the very first thing I'm seeing here. The market is uptrending, and as you can see from this very trend line that the market did what? Break below and then get back. Okay, reverse back. Okay, so meaning that two things are likely to may likely happen here. Either the market may still come back to work this very particular low again, or from here it may likely to pick up. Okay, but then look at what I'm seeing here. This is an uptrend for me. Okay, and you have to always bear it in mind that we are retail traders. We do not control the market. We only anticipate. Okay, we only try to project. Okay, based on the market's condition. Yes, based on the market condition, based on the market structure. So any other thing that happens, then that will determine what else we may likely to do. Okay, so now as you can see, just as I said, the market is uptrending, making a higher high, higher low. Okay, so what else are we seeing here? There is a strong zone here, which I'm also seeing here, that the market has already rejected. Okay, which is giving me a clue that this market is likely going to have a strong buy. Okay, this is what gives me confirmation that the market is rejecting that very particular low. So what I'm seeing here is that the market may likely do something like this. Okay, up here, drop again, and then finally take up to this. So this is what I'm seeing on this very particular US card. So guys, what's your take on this? I don't know. So feel free, let me know what's your take on this. For me, this is what I'm seeing. But there is also every tendency that the market may also likely to do what? To still break below, to work this low again before it finally still take off. Okay, so this is what I personally am seeing on the US cards. So what's your take, guys? Feel free, let me know. Let me know. There is no any crime if I also learn from you. We are all trying to learn together, share the knowledge together. So feel free, let me know what's your thoughts, okay, on this very particular analysis on the US card for hours. So let me know your thought on the comment section, guys. So let's quickly check the next pair that we have at hand. This is a Euro JPY. Okay, so on the Euro JPY, I'm also seeing an uptrend here. Okay, so in this uptrend, everything has aligned, as you can see it by yourself. Okay, the market is successfully and completely respecting the trend line. Okay, so and I'm also seeing another uh, trend here. Okay, so always have it in mind based on what is happening right now, because what I'm seeing here is an uptrend. Okay, so that is what I'm working with right now. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see, try to duplicate my trend line. And one more important thing I'm seeing here is that there is this very harmonic pattern, okay, that I'm seeing uh, I'm seeing the reversal having worked the complete low. Okay, this is what I mean. This is what I'm just seeing right now. Okay, as you can see, it has worked completely. And what I'm now seeing next is that the market may likely to do what? To do something like this. This is what I'm just seeing, guys. Don't know. Let's just leave it here. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Okay. So you can see a kind of a triangle that is trying to complete the triangle. So while waiting for the breakout, okay, maybe it will break above or break below. I don't know, but this is what I'm just seeing on the Euro JPY 4 hours. Okay, so I think this is what I have here. Guys, feel free, let me know what you think about this analysis. If you are in the same page or you are seeing something different from what I'm doing, okay, it's very much important that I also learn from you. Feel free to comment in the comment section. I appreciate that. Thank you, guys. So let's quickly jump to the last one, which is NZD USD. Okay, so this is NZD USD. As you can see, this is a kind of downtrending. Okay, the market is still downtrending. Okay, I'm coming. All right. So this is where we are working. Okay. So even though it has break above, but we never can tell what will likely look like again. So let me do this so that I can see it more clearly. I have to duplicate my trend line, okay, for me to see it more clearly. So this is what I'm seeing right now. And what else am I thinking over this? I'm seeing another support here, support zone here. So we want to know if the support will hold or not. So this is what I'm seeing, guys. So I haven't break above my trend line. So what I'm seeing right now is that the market may likely reject down. Okay, may likely reject down. Okay, look at this. This is what I'm seeing. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Okay, so let me just hold it here. Well, this is the first high. As you can see, there is a resistance zone here. So this is the target I'm looking out for. So whether it's going to continue to buy or not, I don't know. Whatever else the market decide to do, it's fine. Always have it in mind. I normally say this. We are just a retail trader. We do not control the market. Okay. So the market will always find its way to do whatever it pleases. Okay. So that's just it, guys. Or let me know what you have. Let me know what you think about this analysis on the NZD USD. I think this is all I have for now. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Without being told, I'm also seeing another uptrend here. Sorry about this. So we never can tell what may likely to happen. Okay, we don't know. We are only trying to see how far it will go. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, so this is another uptrend here that I'm seeing. So guys, what do you think? What do you really think about this? So feel free, let me know. Let me know what's your take. Let me know what's your take on this analysis. Okay, so this is what I've just done here. This is what I've just seen. And I will likely to maybe kind of remove this so that it will not become too busy. Okay, so let me just leave it this way. So let's see how it goes, guys. I appreciate your time. Please consider subscribing, turn on the notification, share the video, like the video, so that when new video comes up, you'll be notified. Okay. All right, guys, this is where I have to stop for today. So I wish you a profitable trading week. My name remains Mr. Emmanuel from Nigeria. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful and a profitable trading week, guys. Bye for now. Bye.